Hi, good morning everyone. Today is 14th March 2022 and today our topic is thread scheduler and daemon thread, and this is my original video. In this, uh, the thread scheduler in Java, it is a component of Java that decides which thread to run or execute and which thread to wait. It is called a thread scheduler in Java. In Java, a thread is only chosen by the thread scheduler if it is in the runnable state. However, if there is more than one thread in the runnable state, it is up to the thread scheduler to pick one of the threads and ignore the other ones. So there are some criteria that decide which thread will execute first, and there are two factors for scheduling a thread. Example, priority and time of arrival. In this first one, priority, the priority of each thread lies between 1 to 10. If the thread has a higher priority, it means that thread has got a better chance of getting picked up by the thread scheduler. And the second one is time of arrival. In this, suppose two threads of the same priority enters the runnable state, then priority cannot be the factor to pick a thread from these two threads. In such a case, arrival time of thread is considered by the thread scheduler, and the thread scheduler that arrived first, and it gets the presence of over the threads. And there are some thread scheduler algorithms in which first come first serve scheduling. In this scheduling algorithm, the scheduler picks the threads that arrives first in the runnable queue. In this thread and the time of arrival, in which T1 thread is it gives the time 0, the T2 thread gives 1, the time arrival is 1, and the T3 thread its time arrival is 2, and the T4 its time arrival is 3. And such are the algorithms in which and time slicing scheduling, usually the first come first serve algorithm, and it is non-primitive, which is bad as it is may lead to infinite blocking, and it is also known as starvations. And to avoid that, sometimes slices are provided to the threads, so that after some times the running threads has to give up the CPU, and thus the other waiting threads also get time to run their job. And other one is the domain thread in Java. The domain thread in Java, it is a service provider, that the thread that provides services to the user thread, and its life depends on the mercy of user's thread. Like example, when all the user's thread dies, then the JVM terminates this thread automatically. And there are many Java daemon threads running automatically. Example like GC and finalizer, etc. You can see all the details by typing the J console in the command prompt. And the J console tool, it provides the information which is about loaded classes and the memory usage and running threads, etc. And it provides services to user, and the threads of for background supporting task. It has no role in life to serve user threads, and its life depends on user threads. It is a low priority thread. The sole of purpose of daemon thread is that provides services to user and the background supporting task. If there is no user thread, the JVM keep running in this thread, and that's why the JVM terminates the daemon thread if there is no user thread. So